In this session, we'll learn in detail about the arytenoid cartilage. As we can see here, these are triangular shaped, rather pyramidal shaped cartilages. So, being pyramid shape, it has got one base, one apex. Some processes are there, of which one is muscular process, another one is vocal process. The muscular process, this one is blue, and the green one, this is the vocal process, and this one, this is the apex, and this is the base. And three surfaces are there. This is the medial surface, this one which you can see here, this is the anterolateral surface, another one is posterior surface. These two arytenoid cartilages, these are placed like this over the cricoid cartilage. Like this is the cricoid cartilage, this is the lamella, these are the shouldering of this cricoid cartilage, and where this arytenoid are fixed like this by making one synovial joint, cricoarytenoid joint, like this. Clear? So, these two are the arytenoid cartilages. Now, we will see what are the structures or ligaments or folds, whatever, these are attached to different parts. First, come to the apex, this two. To the apex, one muscle is coming from the opposite arytenoid cartilage. This is the muscular process of the arytenoid cartilage, opposite side. One muscle is going like this posteriorly, and this is going to the apex like this. So, the position of this muscle, one is like this, another is like this, obliquely placed. So, the name is obliquus arytenoideus, obliquely placed. So, the name is obliquus arytenoideus. This obliquus arytenoideus, after coming to the apex of this arytenoid, this will go further anteriorly like this and will get its attachment to the epiglottis, where the lateral borders. So, this is the epiglottis anteriorly placed. From the tip of the arytenoid, one muscle is going like this. From the tip of this, this is going like this. So, the name of these muscles will be arytenoid to epiglottis. So, epiglotticus. So, at the apex, what are the muscles attached? One is obliquus arytenoideus, one is epiglotticus. Next, come to the processes. This one, the green one, which we can see here, the green one, this is the vocal process, and the blue one, this is the muscular process, which is placed laterally. At the tip of the vocal process, the vocal ligament is attached like this. Suppose my finger is the vocal ligament, this is going like this from this, and this vocal ligament will go anteriorly to get attached with the posterior surface of the lamella of thyroid. So, this one is the lamella of the thyroid, the posterior surface. These two are the vocal ligaments. We consider this, I am showing it from your back, like from here, just a minute, from here this will go like this, right, like this. So, this is the vocal ligament, which is going anteriorly to the thyroid lamella, and this one is the muscular process. What are the structures attached here? From the cricoid on lateral side, one muscle is coming like this on both the sides. These are present on the lateral side, that is why the name is lateral cricoarytenoid. Position is, I am just seeing you of one side, from here to here, like this. This is lateral cricoarytenoid. And on posterior aspect of this muscular process, the muscle which is attached, the name is posterior cricoarytenoid. Like from here it will go here. This is posterior cricoarytenoid. In the upper part the fibers are horizontal and in the lower part the fibers are almost vertical. So these two are the muscles which are attached to the muscular process. And what are the structures which are attached to different surfaces? On the posterior surface, these two are connected by one transverse muscle like this. The name is transversus arytenoideus. Transversely oriented, that's why this is transversus arytenoideus. And just medial surface, this is completely free, and anterolaterally, just lateral to the vocal cord, there is presence of vocalis muscle. Just lateral to this, the muscle which is present, that is thyroarytenoideus. And above, there is, in this place, there will be attachment of the vestibular ligament. So just lateral to the vocal process, here there is vocalis muscle. Just lateral to it, this is thyroarytenoideus muscle, and above this two, above the vocal ligament, here there is attachment of vestibular ligament. So these two, arytenoid cartilage, you have to remind the shape of the arytenoid cartilage, what are the different presenting parts, and what are the structures attached to this arytenoid cartilage. In our next session, we will come across the movement of the larynx, and that is the most important and most interesting part.